Hello, class, and welcome to Women in Sport 3-unit academic class here at San Jose City College. I'm your instructor, Coach I. I'm also the head men's basketball coach here at San Jose City College, as well as kinesiology instructor. I am a former Jaguar myself, so I was once in your seats and shoes as a student, and I played basketball here back in the day. I'm excited to be back at San Jose City College. And this is my first year here at San Jose City College as an instructor and as a basketball coach. So I'm very, very excited to be here. And yeah, really, really enthused and excited about the opportunity to be back at San Jose City College. Uh, I've lived in California my whole life, attended high school in California, actually went to high school in Fresno, and I'm really excited to be back in the Bay Area where I've worked for several years and at several colleges, including Chabot College and Cal State University East Bay. If you ever need to contact me, you can refer to the syllabus of the class, and you can also contact me via email at Devin, that's DEVIN AYE at sjcc.edu. My office is also located in the Jaguar Sports Complex within the kinesiology department. Again, just for the help of pronunciating my name, it is Coach I, and it's spelled AYE, but pronounced I. And looking forward to having a great semester with you, and yeah, hopefully let's get off to a great start. Thank you.